Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Prado tire full guide. First, choose a safe spot and set wheel chocks. Then locate the jack points on the Prado, loosen lug nuts slightly while the wheel is on the ground, and position the jack securely. Raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground, remove lug nuts and the wheel, and inspect the hub and replacement tire for damage before fitting the spare. With the wheel slightly off the ground, fully remove the lug nuts and lift the wheel off the hub carefully. Inspect the brake rotor and studs for rust, debris, or scoring that could affect seating. If the replacement tire is a donut, check the speed and distance limits. Align the wheel with studs, push it straight on, hand thread the lug nuts, and verify the wheel sits flush against the hub before lowering. Quick recommendation: if you like comfort on long jobs, consider Darn Tough socks for unmatched durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for crawling under a Prado or standing roadside changing a tire. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want a no-nonsense upgrade, and now let's get back to the video. After hand threading all lug nuts, use the star pattern to gradually tighten them so the wheel seats evenly. Lower the Prado until the tire contacts the ground, and use a torque wrench to set each nut to the correct specification. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure, stow tools securely, and take a short test drive to confirm there are no vibrations. Recheck torque after 50 to 100 kilometers to ensure long-term safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.